Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of modern fashion with the one and only Shraddha Kapoor. Known for her impeccable style and effortless charm, Shraddha has been setting trends left and right. So, let's take a closer look at some of her recent fashion choices that have been turning heads. The actress effortlessly rocks street style with a twist. She pairs ripped denim jeans with a graphic tee and throws on a tailored blazer for an edgy yet polished look. Completing the ensemble with oversized sunglasses and chunky sneakers, she exudes confidence and coolness. When it comes to red carpet events, the beauty dazzles in glamorous ensembles that accentuate her natural beauty. She opts for sleek, figure-hugging gowns with intricate detailing or bold patterns. With her hair styled in soft waves and minimal accessories, she lets the gown do all the talking. Embracing her free-spirited side, Shraddha channels bohemian vibes with flowing maxi dresses and statement accessories. She mixes and matches patterns and textures fearlessly, adding fringe details or embroidered accents to her outfits. With loose curls and minimal makeup, she achieves the perfect boho chic look. The actress effortlessly combines comfort and style with her athleisure looks. She rocks sleek leggings paired with a cropped hoodie or a sports bra, topped off with a bomber jacket or a denim jacket tied around her waist. Completing the look with trendy sneakers and a sleek ponytail, she nails the athleisure trend with ease. The beauty embraces power suiting with a feminine twist. She opts for tailored pantsuits in bold colors or unique patterns, paired with a simple camisole or a lace-trimmed blouse. Adding statement accessories like oversized earrings or a sleek clutch, she exudes confidence and sophistication in her power suits. Even in her casual looks, Shraddha exudes effortless style. She rocks high-waisted jeans with a tucked-in graphic tee or a cropped sweater, accessorizing with layered necklaces or a trendy belt bag. With her hair pulled back into a messy bun and minimal makeup, she radiates casual coolness wherever she goes. She effortlessly layers different textures and lengths to create dimension and visual interest in her outfits. From layering a denim jacket over a slip dress to pairing a cropped sweater with a long-line coat, she masters the art of layering to elevate her looks. Shraddha embraces the power of monochrome outfits to make a chic statement. She opts for head-to-toe looks in one color palette, whether it's all black, white, or a bold hue like red or yellow. By playing with different shades and textures within the same color family, she creates visually striking ensembles that are both sophisticated and modern. Outerwear becomes a focal point in many of her modern fashion ensembles. She gravitates towards statement coats and jackets with unique silhouettes, bold prints, or interesting textures. Whether it's a folks fur coat, a leather moto jacket, or a tailored trench coat, she uses outerwear to add personality and flair to her looks. Shraddha elevates her casual outfits with thoughtful styling and luxurious details. She might pair distressed denim jeans with a cashmere sweater and ankle boots, or layer a slouchy knit over a silk slip dress. By mixing casual staples with elevated pieces, she achieves a laid-back yet polished look that's perfect for any occasion. Shraddha Kapoor knows the power of accessorizing to elevate her modern fashion looks. She often incorporates statement accessories such as chunky belts, bold earrings, and oversized sunglasses to add personality and flair to her outfits. Whether it's a sleek metallic clutch or a pair of statement heels, she uses accessories to make a statement and tie her whole look together. The actress effortlessly mixes high-end designer pieces with more affordable, accessible fashion finds. She might pair a designer blouse with high-street denim jeans or style a vintage accessory with a contemporary ensemble. By combining high and low fashion pieces, she creates unique and eclectic looks that showcase her individual style and fashion sensibility. The actress draws inspiration from diverse cultures and global influences in her modern fashion choices. Whether it's incorporating elements of traditional Indian attire into her red carpet looks or experimenting with global street style trends, she embraces cultural diversity and celebrates fashion as a universal language. Her ability to fuse different cultural influences into her wardrobe reflects her openness to new experiences and appreciation for diversity in fashion. Even in her most casual ensembles, Shraddha exudes an air of effortless elegance. She pays attention to the fit and silhouette of her outfits, choosing pieces that flatter her figure and enhance her natural beauty. Whether it's a simple slip dress or a tailored blazer, she opts for classic pieces with a modern twist that exude timeless sophistication and grace. The actress completes her modern fashion looks with fashion-forward hair and makeup choices. Her makeup looks range from soft and natural to bold and dramatic, depending on the occasion, but always complement her outfits and enhance her overall aesthetic. The actress embraces body positivity and promotes self-confidence through her fashion choices. She celebrates her curves and embraces her unique body shape, choosing outfits that make her feel empowered and comfortable in her own skin. She also incorporates different textures such as velvet, silk, and leather to add depth and interest to her looks, creating visually dynamic ensembles that always catch the eye. Shraddha is known for challenging traditional gender norms with her fashion choices. She often incorporates elements of menswear-inspired fashion into her wardrobe, such as tailored suits, oversized blazers, and structured shirts. By embracing gender-fluid fashion, she showcases her progressive mindset and promotes inclusivity in the fashion industry. The actress sees fashion as a form of artistic expression and isn't afraid to push the boundaries of creativity. She often wears avant-garde pieces that feature innovative designs, asymmetrical cuts, and unexpected details. Whether it's a sculptural dress or an architectural statement piece, she uses fashion as a canvas to express her unique artistic vision and spark conversations. Shraddha isn't shy when it comes to color. She frequently incorporates bold and vibrant hues into her outfits, making a striking statement wherever she goes. Whether it's a head-to-toe monochromatic look or a color-blocked ensemble, she isn't afraid to embrace bright colors and experiment with unconventional color combinations, showcasing her fearless approach to fashion. Drawing inspiration from her Indian roots and global influences, Shraddha often incorporates elements of cultural fusion into her modern fashion choices. She might pair a traditional Indian garment like a sari or a kurta with contemporary Western pieces, creating a unique fusion of East meets West style. By blending different cultural elements in her outfits, she celebrates diversity and showcases the beauty of cultural exchange in fashion. The actress is passionate about using her platform to advocate for social and environmental causes through her fashion choices. She supports sustainable and ethical fashion brands, promotes body positivity and inclusivity, and uses her red carpet appearances to raise awareness about important issues. By aligning her fashion choices with her values, she sets an example for others in the industry and inspires positive change. Shraddha embraces creativity and sustainability by incorporating DIY and upcycled pieces into her wardrobe. She often customizes her clothes or accessories, adding unique embellishments or altering the design to give them a personal touch. She also supports upcycling initiatives by wearing vintage or second-hand clothing and accessories, showcasing her commitment to eco-friendly fashion practices. Shraddha Kapoor seamlessly transitions her wardrobe from day to night with versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down. She might pair a structured blazer with tailored trousers for a professional daytime look, then swap the trousers for a sleek skirt or leather pants for an evening outing. This ability to effortlessly transition between different occasions showcases her practical yet stylish approach to fashion. While the actress embraces the latest trends, she also has a knack for reviving classic pieces with a modern twist. Whether it's a timeless trench coat, a crisp white button-down shirt, or a little black dress, she adds her own flair by accessorizing with statement pieces or incorporating unexpected details. By breathing new life into classic staples, she demonstrates her timeless yet contemporary style sensibility. The beauty creates visual interest in her outfits by expertly mixing different textures. She might pair a chunky knit sweater with a sleek leather skirt or layer a velvet blazer over a satin slip dress. This play with textures adds depth and dimension to her looks, making them more visually captivating and dynamic. The actress adapts her fashion choices to suit the changing seasons, showcasing her versatility and adaptability. In the colder months, she might layer cozy sweaters and chic coats, while in the warmer months, she opts for breezy dresses and lightweight fabrics. Her ability to seamlessly transition her wardrobe between seasons ensures that she always looks stylish and weather-appropriate. Even when dressing for glamorous events, Shraddha maintains an air of effortless elegance. She opts for figure-flattering silhouettes and understated yet sophisticated details that enhance her natural beauty. So there you have it, whether she's dazzling on the red carpet or keeping it casual on the streets, Shraddha Kapoor continues to inspire us with her modern fashion choices. Which of her looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.